So today's video I'm here to show you a different tutorial for you guys. A lot of colors, super colorful, this look, and I really hope you guys like it. And it's like water and fire, and I love this idea so much. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, it's really important, and subscribe my channel as well. Follow me on Insta, you already know the rules. So let's get started with this look. So I've already primed my lid with concealer. I use Lancome Tinted Doll, what I usually wear, and let's get started with this look. I'm going to pack yellow first. I'm going to use Jim Charles palette. Everyone knows that I love it so much. And I'm going to pack this into the inner corner, inner corner like this. Like this. And now with a fluffy brush with like this small brush, I'm going to pack green, this green, right after the yellow. Don't smudge the color, just pack it on like this. It's better for blending after. Now I'm going to use a really light blue with a little shimmer on it, and I'm going to pack right after the green. With the same brush, almost like a pencil brush, but it's not that thinner, so it's going to be like this. I love this color so much. Like this. And now I'm going to use the next color. It's this blue. I love this blue so much. It's really beautiful. And I'm going to pack this color into the outer corner like this. Now in this phase you need to construct the colors. You need to build the colors. Like this. And now with a very fluffy brush, this one's from MAC, I'm going to just blend this, blend the edges, blend the edges, blend the edges like this. It's really simple. And now with a very pencil brush, like this brush, very pencil brush, I'm going to pack all the colors above in the bottom. So yellow, now green, right here, right here, and now blue, right here. Pack it on, pack it on. Don't smudge, just pack. Like this. And now with the other color, the next, just pack, and then you can smudge this. To find the upper color. Just like this. This is the final look. It's really simple. It's a lot of colors. It's really simple. Now I'm going to use Lancome Grandiose mascara. on my upper lashes. And my bottom lashes. Just like this, guys. It's just like this. On the lips, I just use this balm from Maybelline. It's Baby Lips. I love this balm so much. And yeah, this is the final look. I really hope you guys like it. Oh my god, I love this so much. And give me a thumbs up, it's really important, and I will see you next video.